What is going on, my people? So, we're here in Coronado. According to Ratatouille, 2 different flavors creates a whole nother flavor. Chocolate and fish.
Did the kids tell you about the...
So this is a cracker. Honey smoked fish crunch. Okay. So here you have the Coronado Pods with Christmas tree lights and fireplaces. Look at the pretty lights. Is it so cool? Yeah.
So we just finished seeing the lights. What'd you think about it? Was it nice?
Yeah.
At the end, what did you see? Was it snow?
No bubbles.
Oh, bubbles. And then now what are we gonna go do? Hot chocolate?
Yeah.
Oh man. Is it a fun day?
Yeah.
You ready for some hot chocolate?
Yeah.
Oh, can I get a thumbs up? Overall, what's your opinion on?
There's a lot of light. It's really pretty. A lot of trees. I mean, it feels like Christmas.
The Christmas spirit is definitely here. We have all the tourists gathering around, spending all their money on expensive things and life.
Jane, do you like the lights?
Yeah.
Cecilia! Gigi!
First, we're going to the Philippines. Then we're taking a few days to Malaysia. And then, well, Malaysia, back to the Philippines. Then Japan. Then Singapore. Then back to the US.
What food? Tell me what food you have. What is that one? What is that called? Carrots? Let's see. What do you think? How's the carrots, Janie? Is it thumbs up? Can you take a bite of the chips? Show it to the camera. Say, look, I'm eating chips. What do you think? Good job. Now take a bite. What do you think? Is it thumbs up or thumbs down? Good. What is that? What do you think? Can you give me a rating? Okay, good. Try the chicken. Sit down. You have to sit down. What do you think about the chicken?
Yeah.
So, overall, what do you think of the food here at the American Centurion Lounge in LAX?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah. Yeah, dude.
Yummy.
Yeah.
Jane, so interview her.
This is your first time at this lounge. Where are we? Are we in LAX Airport, Centurion Lounge, American Express?
Yeah.
Did you like the food?
Yeah.
Did you drink hot chocolate?
Yeah. Hot.
It was hot?
Yeah.
Was it-
Mommy, talk.
Was it thumbs up or thumbs down?
Yeah.
It was good?
Yeah. Bye.
You're good like this. You don't like it? What do you think? Tell the camera.
No.
No. Not good?
Oh. Did you eat carrots?
No.
You didn't like them?
Yeah. Dada.
What do you think? Thumbs up?
Yeah.
All right.
Did you eat mashed potatoes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Did you take a shower at the Centurion Lounge?
Yeah.
Did you like it?
Apple.
You ate an apple at the shower, yeah.
Yay.
Did you like your shower?
Yay. Mama.
She didn't like her shower.
No.
Where are we going next?
Bye.
I'm so glad we're boarding. We're like the fifth ones to get on. There's so much. International is so extra than a regular flight. I mean, we've done it once before, but I think with two, it's like a juggling act.
Before we take off, stow your luggage under the seat in front of you or in the overhead compartments.
Okay, I'm coming. We're in Singapore Airport, walking through, trying to find the lounge. So far, kind of looks like a Vegas airport, and the carpet is freaking carpet. So hard to lug the stroller, Jane's luggage, the carry-on, but I have high hopes for the lounge. Janie, babe, I don't think we belong in Singapore airport. Our kids are not behaved compared to the other kids here. We went to the lounge, SATS Premier, SATS Premier Lounge. They weren't a fan of us. Our kids were too loud, I think. The food, great. Service, I gotta get our child. It's not here yet, but we're gonna get in over here, okay? Come here, come here. Yeah, when it comes, then we'll go back in, okay? Look, let's pay attention. Where is it? Look for it. As I was saying, the food was good. They had a lot of noodle options. I honestly couldn't even tell you the names of what we ate. They had some soup options, some potatoes, some eggs. They had juice and drinks in the fridge that you could just grab. Alcohol you can pour yourself. Showers were showers. They were all right. And the service, no one smiled at me. Not once. I tried smiling at them. They didn't smile back. I think that's all I have to say about that lounge. 5 out of 10.